What is going on Twitch? What is going on YouTube? Today is Monday, January 25th. Tomorrow's my birthday. Bitcoin trading at $33,936. This is Crypto World News Daily Show, CWN. My name is Elliot, and we do this Monday through Friday. If you want to catch my next show, tune in tomorrow on Twitch, twitch.tv/Crypto World News at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. Appreciate everybody's support. We've got a bunch of people in chat now. Mr. G, to be honest, there was a bunch of other people. So appreciate your guys' support. And yeah, we're going to get into today's show. We go over Bitcoin, blockchain, adoption news, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, DeFi projects. I don't have a DeFi project of the day. Overall, general blockchain security or cryptocurrency security concerns, anything like that. And then lastly, we take suggestions from you, the audience. If there's any coins you would like for me to chart, we take suggestions. So we'll be taking a look at all of that. And then we wrap it all up with our live trade at the end as the nice cherry on top. So yeah, first and foremost, let's hop right in. Yeah, thanks everybody for being here. Appreciate. Oh, I want to say one more thing. If you have joined the Discord and you're getting like a spam message that you've won some Bitcoin, you've not won some Bitcoin. Let me be the first to tell you. If you join my Discord and it says, congratulations, you've won 0.6 Bitcoin. You have not won any Bitcoin. I'm sorry to be the one to burst your bubble, but we're going to go into how to turn off your private messages from people that are A, not inside your server, or B, not friends with you on Discord, so you do not receive those spam messages when joining communities like this. So anyways, we're going to hop into our Bitcoin analysis first and foremost here. We're looking at a daily chart. Boom, 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 boom. We've got resistance sitting at 34.5. Managed to come back up. We were looking at this yesterday. This is a nice 6.5% wick. Here we were expecting this 34K retest, so we did take some stream long scalp positions, and I've already closed those and taken my profit on those longs. And I wouldn't be surprised if this came up for another day or two. I think this is probably our more realistic ceiling, if you will, 37.3. So I could see us coming back if we pull back above our resistance, 34,480 or 34.5, whatever you want to call it. Popping back above there, I could see us into a bullish next few days with that test of that 37.3 I was talking about. And then we'll see kind of what the next move is from there. But I do have I call them TVA, time volume analysis points. So I'm able to... this is a new sort of analysis that I've came up with, but I'm able to determine when there will be high volatility points within the market. Obviously, the most difficult thing to determine is, if you can determine it's going to go one way or another, that's sweet, but you got to be right. So expect some volume coming in on the 27th of January, probably about 8 or 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Up or down is really up to you. I could kind of see us coming up to that 37.3 and then get that nice smack, because people are bullish as hell right now, saying that, oh, this was the bottom. 28K, nice smack into some nice long liquidity slides. So anyways, that's my Bitcoin current analysis right now. I don't want to say that I'm flat. I've closed my short-term long scalp position, and I still have shorts open from 38 to 36K that I'm got profit targets 22 to 25K. So we'll take a look at that. If you have any questions, drop them in the chat. Let's hop over into our first news article. Okay, first news article of the day. Grayscale. This is pretty cool. Grayscale to match any donation in February to Coin Center nonprofit. I think it's up to donates $1 million to match every donation in February. So cool. I like this. Cryptocurrency doing good for the world. If you don't already, if you've made a killing on cryptocurrency and Bitcoin and you don't give back at all, it's really, it's pretty cool to give back, and you get a lot of, you feel pretty good about yourself. knowing that you've done something for someone else. So I love giving back. If you want to give back, maybe you could donate to this. Grayscale is matching any donation in February to Coin Center nonprofit. So maybe if you want to give back, here, I'll drop the link down below if you want to. If you have any questions, we're taking questions, suggestions from you. All right, let's hop over to Polkadot. Polkadot, why is it the hottest crypto in China? Well, Polkadot is a similar ecosystem to EOS, if not the same thing, but it has found a new community and they're calling them the Ethereum killers, which is, I think that's stupid because I think Ethereum will probably have a place in cryptocurrency, in the cryptocurrency space for a long time. So the idea of something being better than Ethereum is possible, but the idea of something taking over Ethereum and trying to put FUD on Ethereum, I don't actually hold any value to that. So more Polkadot bullish news, China, Polkadot, DeFi technology. If you want to read more about Polkadot, I'll drop this article down below. I'm not going to go over everything here. What is Polkadot? What is DeFi? EOS, yada yada. It's just got a very strong community behind it, and it's a very good coin, I believe. If we want to take a look at it really quick, we can. All right, Polkadot trading at 17 bucks, 17.8. There's just no, I mean, look at this buy volume. I would just buy and just come back in a couple years. Okay, so we looked at Grayscale donating. We've got DeFi, Polkadot's why it's hottish. XRP will be a remnant of history by the end of 2021. This is your FUD article of the day. Thanks, Alex. We couldn't do it. We could not have done it without you. Our daily FUD. I think that XRP will be a remnant of history by the end of 2021. He goes on to say that I don't see a viable alternative to replace XRP sales except to move out of the US and exclude XRP investors from buying XRP. This would have to start from scratch because all the XRP profits would be disgorged since they all occurred when Ripple was a US-based company. Yeah, I mean, more Ripple FUD. I'm still long on my Ripple position. I don't know what else to tell you guys. I'm going to see this play out. I'm going to wait for this daily XRP to BTC weekly to pop. So maybe I'm wrong here, guys. I don't know. But I still hold true in my position. Not going to shake me out, SEC. Not today. No. All right. No questions. That was our news sections of the day. So if you have any coins, I don't have a DeFi coin of the day, which we normally do. If you have any coins you'd like for me to chart, take a look at, right under 10 minutes. Gosh, we're getting better at this. Okay, we're going to go over our blockchain cryptocurrency security concern while we are waiting for responses. So attackers use a file storage platform to secretly mine Bitcoin. If you're not familiar, there are things called botnets, and they are able to utilize the resources that your computer has quite secretly. So they're basically mining for cryptocurrency in the background of whatever your computer's doing, and you might not already know that it's going on. So these botnets there are a bunch of coins. I think Rye coin is one of the worst botnet coins I can think of. Basically, like people go into like public libraries and and mining for cryptocurrency on all computers that they can, and they tie they just send it back to their own wallets. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Attackers use file storage platform to secretly mine Bitcoin. Yeah, just wanted to kind of teach you guys about botnets. That's kind of cool. Monero botnet steals AWS login from cryptojacking. Ooh. All right, no charts. Real quiet in the Twitch chat today, which is fine. But you know, I'm here. I'm the guy putting on the show. So unmute. Oh, crap. Okay, so let's look at, I just want to make sure that I'm talking. I'm looking on Discord. Okay, I am talking. All right, so I want to show you guys really quickly how this Discord works, how Discord works. So this is Crypto World News. This is the Crypto World News Discord where you can come and chat and say what's up. And these are all the people that are in the Crypto World News Discord that chat and say what's up. So if you go, if you hit user settings, you can just open it. And then you go to privacy and safety. You see safe direct messaging, automatically scan and delete. Keep me safe. Scan direct messages from everyone. My friends are nice. Scan direct messages from everyone. Do not scan. Okay, so we want to keep you safe. Allow direct messages from server members. Debatably, if you want that. I would say probably no. Don't allow direct messages from server members. And who can add you as a friend? Not many people. And who can... Where's the whisper thing? Okay. Allow direct messages from server members. No. Yeah, so you don't want to allow direct messages from server members. You basically only want to allow direct messages from friends. And that will hopefully stop all this spam. You'll see something like this, or this, or this. Hey, sorry, thanks for yada, yada, yada. Come buy my crap because you've won... Oh, is it Elon Musk in this one? Yeah, so I hate to break it to you, you didn't win any Bitcoin if you just joined my Discord server and you thought you won some Bitcoin. You didn't. So, yeah. Anyways, that's it for our... let's go over our trade now. So join the Discord. Follow us on Twitch, YouTube, wherever you're watching. I think there's only like that last video got maybe 10, only 10 subscribers. There's like 40 people who watched it, but only 10 people were subscribed. So if you guys are watching on YouTube, I'd really appreciate you hit the subscribe button and then the bell button all. Like, subscribe, bell button all. Bitcoin will be pumped. Okay, looking at our BTC trade here, we've got some equity left. What happened? Okay, we're still long in our XRP to BTC trade. That's not going to do anything great for us. We have a couple shorts open. We're in profit on one of them. One of them, 33.70 is our fill price. We are not in profit. I did close this short from 38,000. Boom, boom. Okay, so here's everything that's basically happened if you're wanting to figure out how the account's doing that we've got. So January 11th was our day of deposit. We deposited 0.005 Bitcoin onto this trade account, and we have currently have 0.019, just about 0.02 Bitcoin. So we've been doing pretty well. You could see 0.006. This was more than our initial deposit. This was a little bit less. This was about double. So we're doing pretty good. 1,000%, 2,000%, 400, 642%. Not being emotional, and we're just kind of taking profit and adding trades where we think to. I do have another short stack order. I am selling at 36.18 if we get back up there. So yeah, that's going to be it. I'm going to leave these open. I've got short orders. I'm still short, and I've got long orders. I'm still long. XRP to BTC. Nothing. Just going to keep that rolling, rocking and rolling. No questions from chat. Nothing from you guys. We're just going to keep this really short, sweet, to the point today. Yeah. So Ethereum's looking pretty fantastic, I believe, on the weekly. Regardless of what BTC wants to do, Ethereum and these altcoins, while Bitcoin wants to consolidate, possibly push higher, and then come back for that retest on the 27th, these altcoins will still have room to move as BTC moves, comes back to some other levels as well. So I think there's a lot of room to be made for altcoins to Bitcoins. So there's a lot of Satoshi value to be gained here. So I fully believe that when if Bitcoin decides to come back to like 24,000 or whatever, these altcoins are not going to give you, I don't believe they're going to give you the prime entry that Bitcoin will give you. Such as if Bitcoin came back to 24,000, that doesn't mean that Link's going to come back to 15 bucks. You know, Link's in price discovery territory. I'm actually not a, yeah, so we touched $27 yesterday. I don't really want to touch this right now. I mean, we break up 27, we're going to 36. But, so yeah, I think there's a lot of room to be made. BTC, $34,000 on the 45 minute. Yeah, we got smacked 34.8. And we're holding at the 314. We'll see what we do here. I'm kind of flat, I guess. I'm short, but this is a no man's land, no trade zone for me. I've already taken my position, taken my profit, and I'm gonna wait and to see what the market does next. So daily 35.8 is gonna be that daily resistance. Should we get back above that 35? So yeah, I think that we'll probably get, you know, $35,000 to $36,000 Bitcoin, and then I would be expecting to see some heavy volume come in. So if we saw, you know, the January 27th, we saw some heavy volume come in, that would be a pretty good sign that our analysis is on point. It's always subject to change. So yeah. Can you check out Icon ICX? Icon ICX. Yes. Is that to BTC or USD? We'll look at it to BTC, because that's how you should value your cryptocurrencies. Because if you value your cryptocurrencies in dollars, I don't know, you're just kind of setting yourself up to fail there, I believe. All right, let's take a look at the ICX. We're going to take out some of these. We don't need all these. 1, 3, 2, 4, 2, 1. 786. Okay. 2, 1. We're just going to look very, very closely here at what we've got. So we've got a monthly icon to BTC chart. This is some nice buy volume, I guess we got here. About 2017. Wow. So Bitcoin was doing what Bitcoin was doing in 2017. And this coin was pumping to the Bitcoin value while Bitcoin was making that 20K run. It's pretty impressive. All right, so this weekly chart here looks pretty fantastic. I mean, if you're trying to buy the bottom, this looks pretty bottomy. I'm sorry, that was monthly. We go to a weekly chart, we're kind of in the same boat. This just looks like double bottom territory, 1400 Satoshi, probably never again. So we've tested this breakout a few times. I'm really not looking at it'd basically be a double. This double right here, 5,255 Satoshi. It's not really exciting for me. I would look for higher targets just because this looks pretty fantastic. I think there's a lot of room to grow, especially if BTC wants to come back. You know, these coins could, I mean, that's nuts, right? 800%. I was looking at it the other day. If Litecoin, or I'll pull up this Litecoin chart. If Litecoin to Bitcoin ever decides to pop off, let's say the Litecoin to Bitcoin chart, Litecoin wants to price discovery to Bitcoin. Okay, so if Litecoin wants to price discovery to Bitcoin, which would be, let's say we managed 0.04 at the end of the year. Our highest was our absolute run on Bitcoin, 0.04 BTC per Litecoin. At $50,000 Litecoin or Bitcoin, that's 2K per Litecoin. So this is kind of what I'm talking about. There's a lot of potential here for altcoins to gain to the BTC value. So whether Bitcoin's at 17,000, 50,000, 100,000, a million, 10 million, that's where you should be finding your value. I hope that helped. Icon ICX. I think ICX looks fantastic. Like I said, I don't know what the fundamentals are behind it, but the chart looks pretty fantastic. It looks pretty bottomed on the weekly, on the monthly as well. So that's going to be it for our show here today, unless there's anything else in the chat. I do want to shout out, and if there's anyone in the chat you want to see your name, Ola Frankie. What's up, Frankie? I haven't seen you in a minute, man. How you been? So if you would like your name shouted out, just say, yo, thanks for the show, man. We're going to keep our eye on BTC. If you want to check out our chart, come to twitch.tv/crypto world news. We do have a live chart up, and you can come ask me questions. Hey, what do you think about this chart? Hey, what's going on with this coin? Hey, we just dumped $10,000 in 5 minutes. I'm freaking out, thinking about selling my Bitcoin. I heard it's going to zero. What do I do? Just come over to Crypto World News. If you got any friends, bring them on over as well. That's going to be it for today's show. There's my mic. I got to grab my mic whenever I switch rooms. All right, that's going to be it for today's show. Hope you guys have enjoyed. Happy freaking Monday. Yeah, Bitcoin trading at 33,800. I'm not trying to waste your guys' time. 33,825, 4 hour, 35. What was that? Is this rejection? This doesn't look like rejection. This looks like a we're not going to get much lower unless we see some crazy volume, and we'll probably continue up to that 37.3. This just kind of looks like a continuation from here. So locally bullish, but like I said, the 27th, I'm expecting a bunch more volume to come into the market. So whether that goes up or down, we will see. But 27th at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time is when we are going to be expecting our next time volume analysis point. If you want to catch my next show, come back tomorrow, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm good. I missed you. I missed you too, Frankie. Hope you're well. Hope that marketing thing's working out for you. Anyways, boys and girls, thank you so much for being here. Stay safe. God bless. And do something for someone else today. Help someone else. Have a good day, guys. Bye.